Introducing Myora Water Flosser MY04. Clinically proven, removes up to 99.9% of plaque from the treated areas, up to 50% more effective for improved gum health. Water flosser is highly beneficial in patients with implants to prevent peri-implantitis. Let's unbox the Myora Water Flosser and see what's inside. User manual, travel bag, two standard nozzles, and a USB DC cable. Now let's move forward to its key features that makes an oral care effortless. Retractable compact design saves storage space. Travel friendly. It has on and off button, mode button which includes 4 different modes. Normal mode, soft mode, pulse mode, and custom mode. Detachable water tank having capacity of 180 ml, which is ultimately easy to maintain. 1400 mAh battery powered up to 30 minutes of use. And it also have different color variety which is available in 2 colors, that is pink and blue, having IPX7 waterproof which is safe to use in bathrooms. Hidden nozzle storage compartment for convenience. Includes 2 standard nozzles for precise, powerful and hygienic flossing. 1 travel bag for additional convenience. Now let's proceed to its quick and easy assembly before your first use. Socket for easy filling of water. Retract the storage tank. Attach the nozzle. To remove the nozzle, press the release button. Remove the charger base cover and plug the charger into the unit. How to use? Connect the adapter to a power source. CM light will blink while charging. Charging completes when the indicator lights turn off. Fill the water tank by opening the tank cap. Attaching the nozzle securely to the unit. Press mode button to choose normal, soft, pulse or custom mode. For custom mode, press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds. Adjust the pressure level from 1 to 8 by repeatedly pressing the mode button. Hold the unit upright with the nozzle aimed to your teeth. Keep your mouth slightly open to allow water to flow out. Point the jet at 90-degree angle to your gum line. Move the nozzle slowly across the teeth and gum, cleaning between the gaps. Drain the remaining water from the tank. Wipe the device with a clean cloth. You are now equipped with Myora Water Flosser, compact and built for performance. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach plaque and hello to deeper and fresher clean. From home to travel, this flosser goes wherever you go, ready to power up and flush away plaque. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.